This is an incredibly simple experiment using almost no equipment. It works really well when you're talking about dissolving. When something dissolves, it breaks down into incredibly tiny particles. We can't see the particles. This experiment is a way of showing that they're there. Well, the equipment we need for this, Mohammed, is a glass of cold water. I've had that in the fridge for a few minutes, and a glass here of hot water. Now, everything's made up of particles. This is water particles, and when you heat something up, the particles move around more quickly. So these hot water particles are moving around much more quickly than the cold water ones. And you can show this by putting a drop of red food colouring. This is just food colouring from the supermarket. If you drop a drop of food colouring into the hot water, you should see that the molecules move it around and it mixes in quite quickly. But if you do the same in the cold water, can you see how that one's hanging there? Whereas the hot water has already bombarded the red food colouring, moving it around and mixing it into the water much more quickly. That's because the molecules in this one, the hot water, are moving much faster than the molecules in the cold one. It's a very simple experiment, but I think it does demonstrate the difference.
It does make sense, yes.